How to make seamless LED poster display. Here are multiple LED poster displays before seamless splicing. Step 1. Remove the frame first by using electric screwdriver. Just remove the screws on the side one by one like this. Step 2. Use the hexagonal screw to push the hook lock inside the screen to the outside. Step 3. Splice the LED poster display with other screens. And use the hexagonal screws on the back of the screen to rotate the hook again to fix the screen well. Finally, we achieved seamless splicing of the LED poster display. Thanks for watching.